Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Vaseline hacks video. I'm going to show you all a few hacks using Vaseline, that is petroleum jelly. So let's get into the video and see all the hacks that I have for you all. So the first hack is your tinted lip balm for you. That is mixing your liquid lipstick or any cream lipstick that you have inside a Vaseline box and basically just mixing the petroleum jelly with the liquid lipstick. So I'm just using a old used Vaseline that I have because I don't want to ruin the new one, of course. I'm just taking a liquid lipstick. I'm just adding a little. I don't want to ruin it. Y'all will definitely not be able to see this, but the lip balm has now become tinted. Can you see this? And there it is. You have your very own tinted lip balm. Second hack is using Vaseline to make your perfume last longer. So I'll show you all the points where you need to apply Vaseline, and then on top of that you apply your perfume. That will definitely make your perfume last longer. Trust me guys, I have tried this and it works wonders. Now you just need to spray your perfume all over those points where you've applied Vaseline. Trust me guys, this hack is tested and it works wonders. I really love this hack to make my perfume last longer. The next hack that we have is mixing vitamin E capsule inside your Vaseline and then applying them on your eyelashes and your eyebrows to make them grow. So I do this every night. I take a little petroleum jelly. I don't like to use the vitamin E capsule, and I'll just apply it on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So if you have an old mascara wand, you can use that to apply the Vaseline on your eyelashes. That will help better. So you all know at times we have these liquid lipsticks that don't come off at all, not even with a makeup remover, and it gets so tough to remove these lipsticks, right? This one is one of those lipsticks which doesn't come off with my makeup remover. I usually use Vaseline or maybe oil, but oil is not very safe all the time, so I prefer to use Vaseline. So I'm going to show you all how to remove your makeup with Vaseline if you all don't have a makeup remover. So you know, like we do like a 2-step cleansing routine, y'all can also include Vaseline in that, but don't use it all the time because it may or may not suit your skin. So definitely test it out first. So I just take Vaseline first and I'll just apply it on my lips, and I'll show you all how I remove off my lipstick. Take a cotton pad and just swipe it off. Can you all see that the lipstick has come off completely from my lips? I did not need to rub my lips or cause any harm to my lips. It just came off in one swipe, literally. Next is applying Vaseline if you all get boils anywhere on your upper lip or your lower lip. So I usually get that a lot during summers. All you need to do is take petroleum jelly and apply it over that boil and leave it overnight, and the next morning you will definitely see a change within one day for sure. So I don't know if you all can notice, but I do have a little boil here on my lower lip. So this is literally really less and it's happened in just 2 days. What I did was I just applied petroleum jelly over it overnight for like 2 nights, and this is how it has become now. It's not even noticeable. So the next one that we have is using Vaseline as your moisturizer. Not many people use Vaseline as their moisturizer. They buy different moisturizers from the market, but I prefer to use this as my body moisturizer as well, and it works really nice. So I have a lot of dry skin on my elbows. What I prefer to do is I take petroleum jelly. Again, I do this at nights only and mostly during winters because my skin gets more dry during winters. So I'll just take a little petroleum jelly and I'll apply it on my elbows. And I keep it as it is, and then the next morning I take a shower. So it's basically just applying your body moisturizer. The next one is applying Vaseline as a lip gloss. So why not apply Vaseline instead of buying a new lip gloss from the market? So you just apply your liquid lipstick or any lipstick at all, and all you do is take Vaseline. And that's it, you have your lip gloss on your lips. Look at how shiny it looks. Wanting to buy a new cream blush? Well, you don't need to do that. All you need is petroleum jelly. So the same hack that we use to create the tinted lip balm is also the same hack that you use for a cream blush. All you need to do is put any color that you like of lipstick inside this, and that's it. Just mix it up and you have your cream blush ready. Just look at how beautiful it looks. So I personally deal with like cracked heels during winters, and this hack has saved my life literally. The next morning I wake up with soft and smooth heels. So you all definitely should give this a try. So what you all need to do is literally just apply petroleum jelly on your heel and then put socks. That is the main part of this hack. And the next morning you all will wake up with soft feet for sure. So don't expect this to work in like one time or two times. It will take a while, but you all have to try this. It has worked wonders for me, and I'm sure it will work for you all as well. Similarly, if you all have like hands that get really rough during winters, you all can maybe just apply Vaseline. Next is using your petroleum jelly to remove all the flyaways and all the baby hair that you have on your head. So let's say you're tying up your hair in like a bun or maybe like a ponytail, and you don't want your flyaways or your baby hair to be visible. Like you can see, I have a lot of flyaways that are visible right now. All you need to do is take Vaseline and apply it on all the flyaways and the baby hair, and that will automatically give you like a sleek bun or a sleek ponytail look. So this is another perfume hack, and if you all want like a solid perfume, this will work best for you all, trust me. All you need is a box where you all can store this. So any box, add your petroleum jelly inside, and all you do is, since there was very little petroleum jelly inside, I'm not using this box again. I'm just doing this hack to show you all. So just apply your favorite perfume inside. If you want, you can mix it up. Okay, I think it works without mixing as well. So that's it. You have your own solid perfume, and all you do is just apply it on all the points that you want, or wherever basically you apply your perfume. You wouldn't need to buy a new perfume next. Trust me, this really works. I have tried this as well. I hope you all liked all the hacks that I've shown you all, and don't forget to comment and tell me which one you all liked best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.